Hello guys. Today we are dyeing my hair purple in preparation for a fundraiser I'm doing where I'm going to shave my head for charity.
Thoughts, feelings, ideas. What do you think is going to be the outcome?
Well, it's going to be purple.
Good.
I don't know. I'm a bit dubious on it because I only have about 15 hairs to dye, so I feel like if it's lighter it might show my scalp more. I don't know. I feel good. I feel great. I'm doing really good.
Are you? Cheers to you, my love. Wow, that is really good. So basically, I am a trained professional. Thanks. We're not going to start from the roots because they've got heat on them. Because you hot, boy. You so hot. So we start from the ends, lighten them, and then go through the roots. For a perfect blonde, we're going to get platinum vibes, and then we'll go purple, which should be fun. Hopefully, if his hair doesn't fall out, that'd be awesome. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
First foil.
Why can't you just draw it all on?
Because your hair won't lift evenly. Have we got a tissue or something I can wipe my hand on? You heard what I said, right? I said tissue. Hand me a pen or some shit. Come on. Stop!
No, I've actually got
No,
exactly
actually,
what you need.
Serious.
Everything but the pen. Oh, but the...
Pen. Stop fiddling around. You need to not do anything. That's where it gets dangerous. So tell us about you, Shannon.
She already knows who I am.
Jason, was it?
Who the fuck's Jason?
Who the fuck's Jason?
Do you actually want me to say shit?
I don't know. It's just chat. It's vibe.
Ask me questions.
What's your favourite colour?
Fluoro green. It is.
Can you just sit still, honestly?
It's actually really fun, and I'm drunk already.
Favourite number?
42.
42. Why 42?
It's my brother's football number. What are foils?
Foil.
Oh, foil rules. Off Billy Madison.
Yeah, I think they will get that. Yeah, and so what are you doing in your music at the moment?
Oh, you don't want me to talk about music.
Yeah, you're right, I bet. Stop moving.
It's going great. So, on the day before my birthday is when we'll shave my head.
Yeah.
You want me to do all of it?
Well, kind of. We just don't be a drainer about it. Make it fun.
You're an asshole. Raising money for a cool charity called Gotcha for Life. They run workshops with the focus of building mental fitness in communities around Australia, fighting against suicide and mental health.
So
I have a hereditary situation going on. I've always been quite stressed about it, so when I was trying to come up with a way to run this fundraiser, I thought, oh well, me being bald is my version, or one of the things I could feel vulnerable with or scared of.
So what? You've never had any other colours before?
No. I had a red streak in my blue-black fringe when I was younger.
Phyllis?
Outside of your window with my radio. I'm starting to see what I'm going to look like bald. Can we show the people?
Show the people.
Oh my god, chrome dome.
Wee.
I wish this tattoo lined up.
With what?
The middle of my face. I feel more nervous now than ever, actually.
Good. Get you scared, boy. Damn, boy.
I'll have to get on the beers that night.
Actually, send in requests of what you'd like to see, because obviously I'm shaving it. Send in requests of where you want me to shave first, or funny little options of where.
Do's that we can do as we're going.
Yeah. I like the whole like reverse landing strip idea.
Or what, shave through there? Yeah, I could get around that. No, I reckon we leave this little tuft and shave the rest of it.
Yeah,
That'd be rude as. I look fucked.
In a good way though.
In a I'm gonna be bald way.
You're gonna be bored in about a month.
Will you still love me?
I guess I'm gonna have to. Really? I don't know.
God. I wish I had my my doof season body by now, but unfortunately COVID got in the way of that. I was gonna have a 6-pack by Strawberry,
You reckon?
and the only thing holding me back was basically the lockdown. Honestly, I just want neck muscles, like
That's your normal body.
just with neck muscles,
Trapeziums.
trapezoids,
Oh no, that's a
shape.
how do you?
Oh my God, you're a prism.
I'm a rectangle.
I'm a blockhead. I'm gonna look like a dog with no hair. Denying it. There's no more hiding. This is it.
All of the illusion that I've created over these years vanished. Within it.
The comb over, short back and sides.
Dang it.
Queen over here. It's been playing my charade for 4 years now, and the jig is up.
It's well and good.
You never know. I might be one of those people where it looks good. You know?
Yeah, true.
Do you know those people?
Yeah, I know those people.
30, flirty, and bald. Is this gonna lighten my tattoos?
I don't think tattoos work like that. I hope not though. Hopefully not.
No, not too.
Goodness.
This is starting to burn my scalp.
Yeah, well, that's what bleach is.
What? Scalp bleach? Scalp burner?
Pretty much.
Do you like what you
Do
do
you
when your
not?
sun goes out? Giving a motherfucking hell.
Not giving a motherfucking.
Not motherfucking giving a motherfucking hell. Comment a love heart if you reckon I'm hot.
It'll just be Eamon.
Probably. How's he get a shout out?
Bless him. They sponsor me. My boys are Nordic.
What do you mean an hour of it?
An hour of that.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
It comes out soon.
Comes out what?
The hair. The foils. Don't stay on for an hour.
Yeah. Dude.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
I thought we were nearly done.
What, you think I just put it in and rinse? For the process, babes?
Nah, you're fucking with me.
Lean back. Lean back.
I know you're fucking with you. You're about to take it out.
What do you mean?
I can see you right there, yeah. I know we've all been asking for it, but my debut on Lexi's channel is happening right now. La 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 la.
Alright, now,
Baba.
what?
Hon.
Hi! Wow.
Oh my god.
It doesn't hurt.
Doesn't it? Blonde hair, this is so... What the... Oh my gosh.
I actually like it.
Ooh. I'm seeing I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you.
I actually don't mind it. Actually not bad.
My palms are sweaty.
Knees weak. Arms, are they heavy? Mom's
love it.
spaghetti, plenty. Mom's spaghetti. Cute. Right, now for the purple. For the.
I fucking love it, honestly. I reckon I could...
Yeah, right. Get it out. Lightning your hair also.
Unapologetically me.
Oh my god.
Whoa, I can fully see it. It's
Oh.
actually happening in front of my eyes.
I know.
What the hell?
Nah, it's definitely purple.
Whoa.
It's definitely
Fucking
purple.
hell.
It's definitely purple. What kind of dog is this? They're bumping Buckleys. Get it. Oi, purple boy.
Welcome back, beauty fans.
Hello. Tell us about your hair.
Well, as you guys can see, it is purple.
And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. 10
Yeah?
spuds out of 10.
Where are they sending their money?
Gotcha for life. Stay tuned for more noggin modifications.
And when are you shaving your head?
December 16th. So if you would like to, jump on the website and donate.